So today we're going to be installing screen protectors on my 21 Ram TRX from Screen Pro Tech. So the kit comes in this nice cylindrical container. You've got your screen protector for your gauge cluster and your infotainment system, nice microfiber cloth, squeegee, and a bottle of their solution. Now let's get into the install. So we're going to apply the solution from Screen Pro. Now the bottle may seem empty when you get it, but there's actually solution in the bottom. You just have to fill it up with warm water, mix it up, and you have your solution. So we're going to take the solution and we're going to spray it on the screen, wipe it off with our cloth sent to us from Screen Pro. Try to get that nice and clean. Okay, so now we're going to spray more of our solution on, and we're going to run our squeegee to make certain that we get all of the dust and any more grime that is on the screen. So now that it is time to apply the screen protector, I did put latex gloves on just to make certain that I don't get any fingerprints or anything on the screen. That's the last thing I want to do. So we are going to spray more solution on the screen. We are going to peel the protector off the back, or this off the back, the screen protector, as well as the front. The solution makes this nice and lathered. The more solution, the easier it will be to apply and adjust once it is on the screen. So you're going to want to make certain that this is lined up. You take your squeegee and work from the center outward to get rid of all the bubbles. Just gonna dab up some of that excess. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the same thing with the gauge cluster. Apply your solution. Let's get that up. Apply some more. Your trusty squeegee. Apply some more solution. The same thing when you peel the protector off. Now the screen protector is going to be bigger than the actual gauge cluster, so you're going to need to tuck the excess in the bezel down here to make certain that you get the full protection. So there is the gauge cluster protector installed along with the infotainment system. So they do say that some moisture bubbles and some haze will be visible up to 7 days after you install, but for the most part this is super clean. So I had to go to town and do some things, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to get the cluster and the infotainment system in better lighting. So there you can see it in normal daylight. Well, it's kind of, the sun's starting to go down, but anyway, there's what it looks like in normal daylight. So initially I'm very happy. The install takes maybe 10 minutes. It's super easy to do. And the biggest thing I'm happy with is the gauge cluster. So mine was all scratched up because of my Neanderthal ways of cleaning my truck. So after I installed the screen protector, it looks like new again. So I'm very happy with that. So one thing to note is that moisture bubbles underneath the screen protector is normal. It will take a little bit of time to set, and also the colder temperature, the longer it will take to set. So just keep that in mind. That is normal, but overall I am very pleased, and I'm very thankful to Screen Protect for sending these out. And if you're interested in protecting the screens in your vehicle, please go check out screenprotect.com. Also use the promo code below to get 10% off of your purchase. Thank you for watching, and also stay tuned because we got a lot more videos coming, and hopefully we will be seeing you in the next video. So thank you so much.